Hi, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I'm back with some die cuts that I made out of stickers and washi tape. The little embellishments, which I'll go over in a minute. You can see I got made some pretty scalloped hearts, and they're made with some glittery and holographic washi tape, which I have here that I got from Michael's. This was in their Valentine's Day section, so if you're interested in picking these little washi tapes up, they're really cute and very thin, so they're and they have these special decoration, special like glittery or holographic type of decoration on them. So they're fun to use, especially this time of year for Valentine's Day. I love washi tape, as you know, if you've seen my videos before, which please go and check them out, because I have all kinds of tips and technique videos on all kinds of paper crafting types of things to do. And I also love to work with stickers. So I have a lot of sticker books that I have flip throughs for. Here's one from Homespun. It's a large sticker book, but I'm going to use this book, which I have a flip through in the many videos that I have flip throughs of. So if you want to check that out also. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the something from this book, some washi tape. I'll just show at the end of the book. And they have been used. I have started to dig into them, but there's all kinds of really cool like decorations that have circles and strips of washi tape. So if you have any sticker books or anything that might have that type of thing in it, consider using that the stickers that are like washi tape in any of your sticker books for this type of project. You can use any kind of washi tape, you can use any kind of stickers, but the main reason I'm going through this is to show some tips on how to take your anything you have and turn it into your own sticker, or make a die cut from a sticker. So you can do it either way. Turn a sticker into die cuts that you can tape on a project. I would say glue on a project, sorry. Or you could take a die cut or something that you have and make it into a sticker. So first what I'm going to do is, let me get this out of the way. I'm going to show you one of these, the way I made those cute little hearts. And first of all, I'm going to take the washi tape, and then I'm going to take some sticker washi paper from this Homespun book. So I'm just taking off a couple pieces. As you can see, there's strips. Okay. I'm just going to put that one aside. I might only need 2 strips. Actually, that's what I was doing before. But what I have here is a piece of paper that is just like an old scrap that is has a sticky backing on it, okay? So you see on this side, this is really sticky here. So make sure you are putting your washi tape or whatever you're using on the side that will have the backing that is sticky. I kind of messed up and didn't do that correctly at one point, and it was kind of, made a little bit of a mess. But, whatever works. Now I'm just going to make this a quick video to show you this technique. It's very simple, but I like the idea that there's some tips. Of course, because I like making my videos on one take, now I'm having trouble getting the washi tape to come undone. You know what? Guess we go on with this one. Oh, and what I did, another tip here, is that when I cut this one off last time, I took the edge and like folded it over so that you can see like that it kind of won't stick to itself like that other washi tape did. Okay, so just putting this down right flush with the paper washi tape. It's like glitter tape. It's kind of coming off, but it's not too bad. Okay, and let's use some holographic washi tape to add to the decoration. Again, I mean, this tape is a little tough to cut with your fingers, but you can do it. And then just flip that over so that you will be able to not have it stick so hard the next time you use it, right? So that's good. Again, I'm just doing this for, you know, to show you, so it's not going to be perfect. I'm going to add a little more of that paper washi from the sticker book. And if you, luckily with the backing, it's pretty easy to bring it up if you need to. It doesn't have to be perfect because you really are going to be, you know, making, like cutting it so that it's not gonna, all the edges aren't gonna be seen. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more of the really cool washi tape from the sticker book. Maybe one more strip of the holographic. I like the little hot pink holograph. It's actually pretty red, but there's hot pink too. But let me just stick with the colors I've been using. Now, when you're doing this, you know, you don't need to have it be a perfect pattern. You can mix it up, you know, use colors that you like with each other. If things clash, then maybe move them around. Do whatever you like in any way, shape, or form. Obviously, it's your project. You don't need to worry about what it, you know, if it's perfect or not. It's handmade, and handmade should not be totally perfect, right? So it's great if it isn't. So here's a 2-inch heart punch with some scalloped edges. I also use this, it's like a 2-inch heart punch too. Now realize punches aren't all going to be the same shape and the same size. So, you know, make your project accordingly. And I'm going to put this right in here. Again, remember, it's a little sticky because it does have the sticky background. So I'm going to get as much as the glittery paper in there as possible. Voila, voila. Here's the sticker and a little heart. So very cute little way to make some embellishments. Remember, because this is a sticker paper, you can take the sticky backing off and use it as a sticker, but it's also able to be glued onto any kind of project. You have, you know, a die cut type of shape that you can use for in the future at any time. You could store them in, you know, in a storage case with like a those photo plastic filing cases. You know what I mean. Oh, I get tongue-tied. But I love to do these type of things. So the other tip that I had today, okay, is, and I talked about it in the last video too, is that a great storage technique is to use these type of storage cases. This one is a puzzle storing tray. There's 8 of them, okay. In my last video, I talked about it too, so if you want to find out more about that, you can see it in the past video. This is the box that came in. I think I said I made a mistake in my last video that it was from Facebook, but it's not. It's from Amazon. Okay, so I'll link that in this one in the past video too, so that you can check it out. But these are great for, you know, storing things while you're working on them. If you have a project going on and you want to store things in a, you know, specific spot, you can stack them all up. Okay, there's only a top on the top one. Obviously this is like a little plastic, you know, cover, but it's only for the top one. The other ones are covered with each other, but I just like this because I don't want a cover. I don't need a cover on each tray when I'm using them. So if I'm in the middle of a project and I do my crafting in a space that is, you know, for other people too, where I actually sit at my kitchen table when I'm doing these projects, because the lighting is easier, my craft room's a mess, you know, that type of thing. So this is a really good idea. and a good tip for keeping everything nice and neat. And then when you're done with your crafting, you can put it all in, have it, make sure it's all in the trays, and then take it into the another space. So yeah, so I've been really busy lately. Last couple weeks I was sick too. I had like a little bit of a flu bug, and my son went weeks ago went to his study abroad in Scotland, so that was really exciting. And there was a lot going on, and there's been a lot going on, and all around. It's just the state of life right now is just incredible what's happening with things. So please bear with me. I'm gonna, after the Valentine's holiday, I will try to come back with some more videos for tips and techniques on paper crafting. I hope you will join me. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.